There are a few things you can try to fix the Starfield not launching problem. 1. Run the game as administrator. Right-click on the game shortcut and select Run as Administrator. 2. Disable your antivirus and firewall temporarily. Sometimes antivirus and firewall programs can interfere with games. To temporarily disable them, open your antivirus or firewall program and look for an option to disable it. 3. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause problems with games. To update your graphics drivers, go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers. 4. Repair the game files. If the game files are corrupted, it can prevent the game from launching. To repair the game files, right-click on the game in Steam and select Properties. Click on the Local Files tab and then click on the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. 5. Reinstall the game. As a last resort, you can try reinstalling the game. This will remove any corrupted files and give you a fresh start. Here are the steps on how to run the Starfield app as administrator. 1. Right-click on the Starfield shortcut. 2. Select Properties. 3. Click on the Compatibility tab. 4. Check the box next to run this program as an administrator. 5. Click on Apply and then OK. Here are the steps on how to disable your antivirus and firewall temporarily. 1. Open your antivirus or firewall program. 2. Look for an option to disable it. 3. Disable the program and then try launching Starfield. 4. Once you have launched the game, you can re-enable your antivirus and firewall program. Here are some additional tips. Make sure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Starfield. Try playing the game in compatibility mode for an older version of Windows. Clear the game's cache and delete any saved game files. Update your Windows operating system. If you are still having problems launching the game, you can contact EA support for help. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Like the video and subscribe to Proudly Technical.